Hi, I'm Lucas of Lucas Lagoons, and welcome to another amazing backyard transformation. Here in Bradenton, Florida, we started with just a typical pool with an ugly concrete deck and no landscaping, and we've turned it into this amazing grotto, waterfall, lush tropical landscaping. We've turned the spa from just an ugly, outdated spa into another water feature. And they love to entertain, so there is very minimal deck space. We've created a terrace of retaining walls behind the pool and lots of deck space. So before, this pool was just very plain, had a couple of steps here going down into the rest of the pool. Now we've created a sun shelf. So it's a great place to just lounge and hang out, have a drink. Great place for kids to play. I even left a spot here so we can stick an umbrella in there, so if you want to hang out in the shallow area but not be in the sun, you can just kind of lounge here, relax. I came to a party here right after it was finished, and there's tons of people just hanging out in this area. And then I've created off to the side so we don't waste space inside the pool for some nice steps right here. You come down into the pool. Now you've got your deep area. And of course, for that swimsuit body, I created the fitness rock. And then of course, I made the back of this grotto so that you can actually fairly easily climb up. I'm the king of the world. And of course, another little sneaky staircase from the front. All right, cannonball! Wow, this is so awesome. You know you want one.